In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or close your Revolut account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app and what to expect along the way so you can make a clear, confident choice. Start by opening the Revolut app on your device. On the main screen, look to the top left corner and tap your profile icon. Depending on your setup, this might be your photo, your initials, or a generic avatar. This menu is your hub for personal settings and controls. From there, scroll down until you see Account Settings and tap it. This section gathers the controls related to your plan, privacy, security, and account management. The exact layout can shift slightly with app updates, but account settings is the place you need. Inside account settings, scroll all the way to the bottom. There you'll find the close account option. It's intentionally placed at the end so you don't tap it by accident. Go ahead and tap close account when you're ready to proceed. At this point, the app will ask you to confirm your decision. You may also be prompted to select a reason for closing your account. This is typically used for feedback to help improve the service. Choose the option that best matches your situation and continue. You might see a reminder that keeping a standard Revolut account is free, even if you're not using it. This note is designed to make sure you know you can keep your account open without paying for it. If you're simply taking a break and don't need to fully close your account, you can consider leaving it as is. But if you're sure you want to go ahead, continue with the process, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the closure. Depending on your account, you may be guided through quick checks like confirming your identity or acknowledging that certain features will stop working after closure. Just proceed step by step until the app confirms the process is finished. Once everything is done, your account will be closed. You should see a confirmation in the app and you may receive a confirmation message as well. After closure, you won't be able to use the account, so if you want a personal record, consider saving any relevant information before you start. That's it. Open the app, go to your profile, head into account settings, choose close account, confirm, and follow the prompts. Thanks for watching and take care.